Whoa, whoa, Stroopy on the mic, back truck, my truck is back, running up on this truck, you left but I knew you'll be back, hey, back truck, my truck is back truck. I came into this game expecting to rise up to fame, but damn bro, that was just lame. Never losing hope, never giving up, no matter how much I get messed up. Yeah, no, my G's got my back, that's why every day I got a new track. Be rolling like I got them G's in my pocket, and I know one day I'ma own a rocket. It's on a sunny day, I'm in a heavy jacket, cause man's not hot, shorty never hot, this a damn comeback. She's so proud of herself cause her hair falls to the back. I'ma push it away, I be kicking like I got rubber in my back, and she knows I'm her all-time snack. Yeah, I'm nuts, I don't think straight, don't wanna have one car, I wanna have more than 8. She came to my place, her coochie is what I ate. Don't wanna be served, took it direct from the source. Got her waiting, that's some coochie sauce. Tamakin still remains our best cause. Don't matter whether your pastor felt like the damn BBI. Got rid of the BB intelligence, that's the real BI. Be making impaired decisions like I'm high. Got overwhelmed and forgot to bribe the judges. Now everyone is holding grudges. All night been facing down due to shame. Tomorrow morning I'ma address the nation with lost niggas giving you recommendation. Wanna see new schools, not just wasting money on polls. Wanna be international, not just local. Turn me up on the mic, wanna get these vocals. Got no money and no ain't shit, but still I'ma start up the heat. Never standing down in this fight. I do what I do, don't care whether it's wrong or right. If you knew me then I would love walking at night. Make money till they say you changed, and no one for you cared for you when you felt caged. Stroopy on the mic, yo. Back truck, my truck is back, running up on this truck. You left but I knew you'll be back, hey, back truck, my truck is back, running up on this truck. You left but I knew you'll be back, back truck. My flow is crazy, wengine wenu hamwezifikia cause you're lazy. Be creating impact cause my song giving facts. Went on a date with no cash, got chills, that's some sugar rush. Mentally I'm lost, made a promise to myself, never stick to the past. I'ma rise up to the top position and I respect. Why you acting so surprised, what did you expect? Be rolling with the S-class, that's my best. I ain't fucking like the rest, I'm the mystery you can never get. My homies got plans too, we all gonna make it. With lost souls saying that we faking it, still trying to listen to the cries in the society. Mothers and sons straying in poverty, youths feeling like they lost their purpose. The system is so rotten, smelling like a carcass. We got the rich and the humble trying to chase the same ass. I'ma get myself a plane ticket, cause I'm tired of seeing people filling their pockets. They be moving around the world with our everyday lives depending on the world. I'm never resting till papa and mama living the life of their dreams. If you always got my back then we a team. I know I'm the best in these, but let me give you a quick education. Never tell a chick your true location. Back truck, my truck is back, running up on this truck. You knew you'd be back, back truck, my truck is back, running up on this truck. You left but I knew you'd be back truck.